Oh, look at that. They are very cute. Ducky ducky. Dili sila native kay white. They are not the native duck anak. Look at that. They are eating. Come on. Say hi to them. Maybe they think they can give you food. You can give them food. Right? Come here. No, they're not eating leaves. Look at that. That's their daddy.
Mucky.
That's their daddy.
Gucky.
Hello, hello, hello. Hello. Run, run, run. Run. Mura magtago ko ron. Kadako. Dako. Mami siguro. It's duck also, but half breed. It's native and it's native duck and kuan this one. Ah, they're coming anak again. They're coming. Ngayo nagpagkaon. Yung duck nila ay ano, half na ni siya sa native diri nga duck. Happy. One is siya native nga duck. And this is the native duck. This one. Yeah. That's from the storm last night. You see? That's from the storm last night. That's that. Okay, go.
This kind of cool courts, Mommy.
Oh, yeah. Okay, you can throw them.
This is treasure. I want to bring them home.
No, just throw that. You have a lot of rocks at home. You remember?
Yo!
Whoa.
The fish will not be upset.
No. Oh, you can throwing rocks, all right?
Mommy, this is going in the back. This is yelling in the back. You see? This is yelling in the back.
Yeah, they are vandalism. And look at that.
Why did vandalism?
Yeah, that's anywhere, everywhere in here.
What if you had them in the oxen footpath?
Yeah. Oi, what mommy teach you? I like that. Like that only. Yeah, very good.
10,000. Now look at those ducks over there, Mommy.
Yeah.
They are like mother ones.
Yeah.
And male.
I don't know. That's duck.
Family. Are they family?
The duck is coming. 5 little ducks went out one day.
Mommy, can you show this boat?
No, look at the duck. Oh, they're coming. Over the hill and far
Mommy,
away.
can you show this boat? It's yours.
You can throw something to the ducks. Maybe they think that that's a food. Maybe it's better we bring food, you think?
Here's this.
Oh, look at that. They are 5. 1, 2. Where is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at them. They're so cute.
Oh, you're thinking.
Hello, ducks. You're here, duck. Look at them. Look at them.
You think they're eating?
Woo! They're so cute.
They're not eating it.
Oh, yeah, not in the age, huh? Where they go? Asa mo padong ducks? Look at that.
I want them to eat.
They're very cute. They're not eating they're not eating the leaves, mat. Sink. It's better you bring food for them. Bye bye, ducks.
No more boat for you.
Yeah, that's all right.
You can only use this stick boat. It's called you. I'm looking in the I'm smiling.
Yeah. Look at that. It's flooding in here now. In both sides. This one and this one here.
Yeah, you got red currency one.
Yeah.
And the two cool